Welcome back to Yardi Legal Reasonings. I'm Nadine Atkinson Flowers, Jamaican attorney and U.S. immigration attorney. The question of a person's name is very important for U.S. immigration purposes, and a lot of Jamaicans sometimes have what we call a pet name, a name that you are called in your family or your friends. For some persons, the pet name is so much that they think that is actually their given legal name, that is the name on their birth certificates. And sometimes that causes problems. That even causes problems in the criminal law system. And in my book, On Your Feet, Criminal Law Practice in the Parish Courts of Jamaica, I actually talk about something like that. But for U.S. immigration purposes, it is your legal name that is necessary and absolutely critical that you place on your immigration documents, because if you don't, you run the risk of having to do the documents over, or worse, there may be some accusations of fraud. The pet name, you can tell whether or not this is your real given legal name by simply looking at your birth certificate. So if your birth certificate says your name is John Brown and your pet name is Johnny, and everybody has always called you Johnny, even at school teachers call you Johnny, and as you've gone through life you have been Johnny, it is important for you to recognize that your legal name as it appears on your birth certificate has to be the name that is written on the U.S. immigration documents. It can lead to delays, it can lead to so much stress that is unnecessary. The process is already very stressful for U.S. immigration, and so you need to do whatever is necessary, whatever you can do within your power to ensure that your processing is easy or easier than it could have been if you had really not made those kinds of missteps. Like, share, subscribe, and tell us the topics that you want to talk about.